Hi guys! So I just wanted to send out a video to you guys real quick and just kind of introducing something like a resource that we're going to be using a lot through this year. So that resource is going to be Khan Academy, and I'm sure you've all heard of it. It's something that I think a lot of people go to for help with math or science or just subjects that they're really struggling with in school, and so this is a really good outside resource that you can go to for lots of subjects. Especially math and science, but that's not what we're going to be focusing on this year. So we're actually going to be using the art history section of Khan Academy. So let me show you. So this is the main website. You can find it here at khanacademy.org, and we're just going to scroll down. You see a bunch of different subjects along the side. We're going to scroll all the way down to the arts and humanities one, and since we are focusing on art in this class and we want to learn a little bit about the history of art, we're going to click on the art history right there. And this is a really awesome page because it not only tells you different subjects and topics in art history, but it shows you a little image of like some of the most famous pieces. So like let's say we want to learn a little bit more about Van Gogh and what he did. So we would find our little subject along here, and Van Gogh would fall under the art in the 19th century Europe because he was a painter in France during the 17th century, or sorry, the 19th century. And he was a post-impressionistic, so we would select post-impressionism right there. And that would bring us down to this great resource of lots of post-impressionistic artists like Seurat, Gauguin, Van Gogh, and Cezanne, things like that. So we see Van Gogh here, and so let's click on the Starry Night, which is probably his most famous piece. And so here we see a great picture of someone looking at the piece and the artwork in the MoMA, and then a cool description of like what it is, what it means, the context, as well as other pictures of different paintings he's made that kind of reference Starry Night. So that's really cool. And then not only do they have little articles about really significant art pieces, but they also have videos. And these videos are going to be super, super important and super cool for you to look at. So these videos consist of usually two art historians really analyzing a piece of artwork. So this one is The Bedroom, which is found in the Art Institute in Chicago, and these two art historians really just like go into the symbolic pieces in the artwork and what it all means and the context, and you can see like their sketches, and you can even see later they show a picture of a sketchbook, and it really is cool because it contextualizes the artwork that we are seeing and learning about with the actual person and what their life was like when they went through and when they painted this or when they created that artwork. So it's going to be a really cool resource for us to use to kind of understand what we're learning about here, you know. So I really encourage you to go out and take a look at it, maybe pick out your favorite artist or your favorite art piece, see if you can find it and learn a little bit more about it, because I'm sure you're going to learn a lot more in these cool Khan Academy videos or articles than you would have before. So yeah, give it a check.